This is the 23rd video in my series on three-phase power transformers. In this video, we'll be looking at some examples of using the three-phase transformer clock system vector nomenclature. This is just a very small portion from my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses on my Stand Store at this web address. We're now going to look at some examples of the workings of a clock phase nomenclature, and I'm going to start with a YY connected transformer. And we've seen this connection before, and believe it or not, there are 6 different ways to connect up the secondary windings of this transformer. Number 1, starting with our previously studied connection, the secondary phasors would look like this, showing that the secondary voltages are in phase with the respective primary voltages. Using just one set of phasors, the red one in this case, the clock system of vector nomenclature would tell us that there is 0 degree displacement from the secondary to the primary windings. The clock system nomenclature would be then YY0. We could have also said YY360, but normally we just choose 0 instead of 360. It's much easier to write on a piece of paper, I guess. Notice also that the primary side is designated with a capital Y, where the secondary is designated with a lowercase y, followed by the displacement, which is 0. The second YY connection would look like this. The red winding X1 terminal is connected to the secondary blue phase bus. The white winding X1 terminal is connected to the secondary red phase bus. The blue winding X1 terminal is connected to the secondary white phase bus. And all of the X2 winding terminals are connected together to form a secondary neutral. The secondary phasors look like this, showing the secondary voltages are 120 degrees lagging their respective primary voltages. Again, just using the red phase vectors, the clock system of vector nomenclature would tell us that there is a 120 degree displacement of the secondary voltage. The clock system nomenclature would be YY4. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. One of those amazing and versatile products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra, which can be modified to suit any homeowner's needs, operating virtually silent, and when paired with the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Smart Home Panel 2 is extremely versatile. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 Home Panel 2 ties any and all of your standby power equipment together and will control them efficiently. It will even control your connection to the utility grid to make sure you're only using the least expensive power, switching to your standby power during those expensive time of use rates. In order to view the full range of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 products, check into this website to browse the full extent of their products. There is no cost or commitment for viewing. Before ending this video, let me repeat the connection to obtain my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators and receive access to all of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is a link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.